Hello out there and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing very important topic manufacturing, particularly light manufacturing. So I'll be giving you the concept and the opportunities in the Nigerian market. So go get yourself a seat and let's dive into it straight away. Light manufacturing. It refers to the production of goods that involve simple and less capital intensive process. So what this means is that light manufacturing has to do with the use of low amount of money as possible depending on the size or on the volume of the production that you intend to go into. This is different from the other aspects of manufacturing that has to do with heavyweight manufacturing. On that level, you produce at large scale and you have to invest a lot of money. So I would like to share a video of a company that is into light manufacturing. I'll pause at this time for you to watch that short video. You will notice from that video that light manufacturing has to do with small scale industries, and these people can easily find you can find them in different sector of the economy where they can be able to access raw materials to quickly do their production. For example, we have so many resources in the southern part of the country and in other parts of the country. So when you are thinking of going into a kind of manufacturing, particularly if you are to start on a small scale, you may need to consider this light manufacturing. And one important aspect of light manufacturing is that it creates jobs and it stimulates the local community. So the local community will be able to get some kind of jobs and there will be some forms of trading among people in that community. So this is what you gain when you have or invest in light manufacturing. So when it comes to light manufacturing, Nigeria has the potential to become the powerhouse in light manufacturing. And these are the three reasons why I made that statement. The first one is that Nigeria has a lot of raw materials scattered in different parts of of the country. If you look at the north, the south, you see a lot of raw materials. So if you are in this country and you are considering starting your own small scale industries, you don't have issues with raw material. Are you looking for raw material that has to do with rubber or with furniture or for food processing? All these raw materials are in abundance in the country. And the second reason why Nigeria can become a powerhouse in this industry is that we have a lot of skilled workers in the countries, be it technical workers that have gone through the vocational education to learn important skills that will be able to service these industries. You'll find them in this country. In fact, they are there in several places. Is it Kaduna you want to talk about, or Lagos, or any part of the world of Nigeria? Even in Abia, you see these workers everywhere. And the third reason why Nigeria can be a powerhouse in the light manufacturing industries is the potential for the country to be able to increase its own income. Income in the sense that the country has this infrastructure that has been put in place. infrastructure such as industrial parks and special economic zones. And these are infrastructures that can really help more of companies that wants to go into light manufacturing to quickly settle down and start their own business. And once they are able to do this, definitely from this infrastructure provided by government, then there is possibility for the beneficiary, mutually beneficiary opportunity for both the government and the investors. So these are some of the reasons, peculiar reasons, why Nigeria can become a powerful, potential light manufacturing hub. We have the abundant raw material. We also have the skilled worker that will be able to service the industries. And to cap it up, we have the government has worked so much to ensure that they provide industrial hubs and more economic zones for these people or for these investors to prosper. And we can still do better, and that is why I would encourage everyone to find a way to even start on this note and later expand their business and see possible ways to expand into more bigger ventures. So if you are looking for a place to start, consider light manufacturing. And Nigeria, I'm very sure, is a powerhouse for such business. If this video is useful to you, please kindly share with your loved ones and encourage them to subscribe to this channel. I'd like to see you next time.